So we're having another dinner, and it was spaghetti dinner, and we just had a bunch of people come by, which is awesome. There's tons more people here, and we're just enjoying each other's company, having good food. It's just wonderful. So last night we had a wonderful meal. There was so much, and we fed a bunch of people. I want to say thank you to Duck because he supplied all the food. He didn't cook it because he said he wasn't good at cooking, so we all jumped in and helped cook, and then we fed everybody or anybody we could, and it was spaghetti with salad and garlic bread. It was amazing. It was a wonderful night. Moo-moo, don't be scared. Get over here. Moo-moo, go. Come on, over here.
Here's what I think of that.
Good girl. Look at that.
Oh, she's like, Mama, that's a big dog.
She's so cute.
Oh, that's
You're so cute. I love her too.
Hey, I'm Kathy.
Hi, Kathy. How are you?
Go ahead. I'm gonna throw a rock at you. This is because he keeps on putting a song in my...
The world as we know.
Stop it! You better be lucky.
But not.
Bye. Focus, Terry son. Squirrel. Come on, girl. Our walk, we've gotten like 10 feet. We haven't got very far.
This is what happens. This is why Dory stopped taking walks with us, because it takes us 3 hours to get back home, and we've only gone maybe 500 feet.
Lord have mercy.
How are you?
Good. How are you doing today?
My name is Larry.
Larry?
I follow you on YouTube, of course.
Where are you from, Larry?
Originally Ohio, but we lived in Alabama last.
Oh, cool.
We had 2 acres up there in the mountains, and we sold it about 8 months ago.
Cool. When did y'all get here?
Pardon?
When did y'all get here to the RTR?
We got here the first day of it.
Oh, are you staying till the end?
Yeah.
Cool. What are y'all in, a fifth wheel or something?
A Cougar, a 30-foot Cougar.
Oh, cool.
Fifth wheel. Yeah.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, we have moved into that full time. We've been living in it full time now.
Well, congratulations.
Yeah.
Well, it was really nice to meet you. They're waiting on me and stuff.
Okay. All right.
Nice to meet you. I'm sure we'll see you around.
All right.
All right.
Yeah.
Bye.
I'll see you on YouTube.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. Are y'all joining our walkabout?
I didn't know you were having a walkabout.
Yeah. It is.
Walkabouts are
Okay, now I didn't know who to shoot because y'all split up.
Shoot ya.
Darn it. I'll just swing back around.
You can shoot the back of my shirt.
What does it say?
Oh God, don't.
Oh, never mind. I won't lie there. Oh my God.
Direction this way. I haven't been over the.
Go ahead.
And not to have the washes here.
Oh, okay. Say hey, Moo-moo.
Oh yes.
Oh, the videos put 10 pounds on you.
I know everybody always. Oh, yeah, everybody thinks she's bigger, but she's not. So. How was it?
Oh my gosh, it's amazing. I only used the pedal assist.
Oh, you didn't use the throttle?
No.
Yeah.
Should I have?
You can. You can go take it for another drive off.
Okay.
All right.
Back to the yeah.
Yeah, it's fun, isn't it?
I give it a thumbs up.
Awesome. We had some leftover spaghetti sauce, and I had some organic noodles, so I'm going to do a baked spaghetti for lunch, just for, you know, a couple people, whoever wants to join.
Wood windows behind them. You know, the patio comes up and protects the wood windows.
The fun job of cleanup after having a big dinner.
I mean, this is pretty. It's pretty got that.
It's really good of you to clean it up.
Well, it's gotta be done.
Yes, this is true. Well, I've got all the parts for it. So here is the spaghetti. I left some sauce so that I can cover this. And then I'm gonna put some cheese on top of it. And then put it in the oven to bake. Ta-da! It is done. I'm gonna let it sit for probably about 5 minutes to cool down so everything like sticks together and it doesn't fall apart. That helps to let the bake cool down. Lunch is served. Seems like they've already dug into it. Looks really good. I'm gonna get me some.
Real hard to walk.
PL. So what is tonight?
Curry.
So just a curry theme, any kind of curry plate?
Yep.
Cool.
Curry.
Look, it's a paramotor. That is so cool. It's going right over camp.
They got it. It's coming this way too.
Yeah, I think it's gonna pass us though. I don't think it's gonna come all the way this way. There it goes, so cool. Looks like it's coming down for a landing. Oh, look at all that. Just put it out some gas or smoke.
You're coming up above my head.
I am. That is cool. And hello.
Hi,
What's going on?
I'm dropping off Moo-moo some books.
I met you earlier. You want to tell them your name?
Brandy from Gilbert, Arizona. The old man over there.
Hi, old man. What's your name?
Brandy and Brandon.
Oh, okay.
Can't forget it. Okay, well, I'm hoping they'll fit.
Oh, the puppy things. Oh, those are so cute. I hope they will too.
Yeah.
Hold on. Moo-moo, come here.
Oh, hi. Hi. Oh my goodness.
We appreciate that.
Oh, I hope they fit.
I do too. I'll check them. Let me see. She might be a little weirded out at first
Yeah.
because, you know, it'll probably take some getting used to.
Yeah, they all do. They had extra small, but they were green, and I don't think that's her color.
No, she'll probably like these. So is it just like that? Is that
I don't know. There's instructions.
Why?
Mama, what are you doing
She's
to
like,
me?
what the heck is that thing? Get it off me. Put your foot down. Good girl. See, now you don't have to worry about stepping on the stickers.
Okay.
Yeah, because she's been stepping on stickers lately.
Yeah, we have a
So,
place in Ashford. Oh my goodness, it is
Oh,
bad there.
It'll
Yeah.
take her a second to get used
Oh,
to
I think her
it.
little arms are so skinny.
I know. Go ahead, come on. You can walk in it. She's like, I don't know how to walk in shoes. She's like, what's going on? There you go. Come on. Come on. Good girl, good girl. Stay, no, don't look, come on. She's like,
No.
you're not walking on marshmallows. Good girl. That's it. Good girl. You're kicking it off.
It was so funny when we first put them on.
Really?
She was like prancing.
Really? Oh yeah, this is Jed and Evie Nova
Yeah.
from Into the Mystery 13.
Yeah, we want.
We watch everybody.
Yeah.
Yep. It's cool, isn't it?
You all do that.
Oh man.
You didn't even go that far.
That's such a cool feeling, man. You gotta try this, Evie.
Try it. How do I
It's
do
so
this?
cool. You just pedal it, and then all of a sudden it just starts going.
Is there like a gas or?
Yeah,
gas
this
pedal?
thing right here. You probably turn
That's
it
the throttle, but you don't have to.
Yeah, put all there. It's all four.
Okay, so this is.
If it's not strong enough, yeah, just turn up just turn it up.
And this is gas.
Yeah, the throttle is right there,
Okay.
and you push it down to go.
And this brakes.
Yes, brakes.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
All right, have fun. Everybody's always like laughing.
It's such a weird feeling to have
It
it
is.
just, like, take off under you.
It's like someone's just pushing you.
Yeah. And it'll just climb any hill, huh?
Yeah. She is going to town on that.
So cool.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
You got a big smile
One more
there.
of these. But I also want a motorcycle.
Yeah.
It is so cool.
So cool. Is it heavy?
No, it's not very heavy.
Oh, it's 59 pounds.
Yeah, it's not bad. Is that really 59 pounds?
Yeah.
Wow, I'm stronger than I thought. That doesn't feel that heavy.
Do you have like a carrier for it, or you just put it inside the?
No, actually, I just put it back there. I've just been carrying it back there. I just put it on top of my generator box and stuff, and then strap it down. So
That's so cool.
Oh, you can change gears on it too.
yeah. You want to take it for one more spin?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Go for a little longer spin this time.
Okay.
It's so cool. It goes fast too.
It is fast. Remember, you can always turn up the thing if you want. She's starting to get used to her footsies.
We have
There
those
she
for
goes.
Lily, but they're a little bit too big for her.
Oh, really?
So they kind of like hers, they kind of like
Slip
to the
off,
side.
right?
Oh man.
It goes
On something
fast.
so light, it's just like what? And then you start pedaling, and it's just
I
takes
know.
off. That is so cool.
It goes so
Awesome.
fast.
Yeah, you did have it on 9 too.
Yeah, how fast is that? I didn't look at the thing.
Well, I have it because there's a governor, so I can I keep it on 20, but I can go to 32. I can change it.
Wow.
Hello, lady.
What are you doing?
Nothing. We're getting ready to have some dinner.
Oh,
You want to join us?
I would, but I'm in
It's
the middle
curry,
of
so-
moving to the old folks' home.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, have fun with that.
Thank you.
Love you.
Love you. Mwah.
Bye. Have fun at the old folks' home. So the food is ready.
So this is a Thai salad with mung bean noodles.
That looks really good.
Sarah could tell you all about that. Just some rice. People donated rice in the free pile,
Oh, cool.
so we cooked it. And this is still cooking.
And which one? What kind of curry is this?
This is a Thai curry.
Cool.
Very nice. It's got sweet potatoes in it. That's lentils, just lentils.
Oh, someone said that was
Some tomatoes.
like a beef
No,
curry.
lentils.
Lentils. Okay.
Yeah, little stewed tomatoes in there. It's just
Right.
a can of corn. It's just simple. And then this is
Then more rice, and then the big, huge pot of curry.
that's chicken curry,
Chicken
with
curry?
chickpeas, potatoes.
And I have my plate ready.